So I just want to take a moment to say that on behalf of, which I can now finally say, my wife and I, I want to say a very big thank you for all of you for coming with us today. I believe you've lifted me up to a better man, and I hope I can prove that more by being a good husband. I know it's not going to be smooth sailing, and there'll be some moments, but I'm confident that if we face these obstacles together, nothing can stop us. You truly do deserve the best. And raise a glass. To family, to friends, to love. Make your parents proud, your enemies jealous, and yourselves happy. Cheers.
Dean, I promise
to love you forever.
To love you forever.
To be open.
To be open.
Honest and faithful to you.
Honest and faithful to you.
To support your dreams.
To support your dreams.
And to respect your thoughts and feelings.
And to respect your thoughts and feelings.
I promise.
I promise.
To stand with you.
To stand with you.
As we share this life.
As we share this life.
And cherish the memories.
And cherish the memories.
We make together.
We make together.
Коснись меня нечаянно, расскажи мне, что отличает нас. Все в огне, твои глаза, целый мир, как Нарния. Пропаду в них до темна, ты посмотри на меня медленно. Буря, буря за окном, не войдет наш дом. Буря, буря за окном, но я слышу твой голос, твой самый нежный голос меня спасет.